Anche.com.
The most difficult area in Somalia was the area of politics. How politics can progress in Somalia. Civil war has ended long time. The insecurity due to the anarchy has already subsided. We have one security issue, which is fighting against Al-Shabaab. In the Vision 2016, we set two principles, and we are going to develop policies and procedures and programs on the basis of these principles. One is we have a parliament right now. This parliament is based on the nomination of 135 elders from all Somali clans and sub-clans. That is the base of the legitimacy of our parliament right now. It has not been elected by people. So that's the legitimacy of the parliament, and it's okay. We are very much comfortable. The parliament is assuming the responsibility of any normal parliament, and they are functioning. Now, what we are saying is that in the next parliament, can we enhance the legitimacy? Can we make more citizens participate the election of the parliament? Instead of 135, we say 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million people participate how the next parliament comes. So it has much broader legitimacy than the current one. That's one principle, enhancing the legitimacy of the next parliament. And the other principle is, if Somalia today cannot reach full democracy, can we transition to the full democracy? There is a space in between where we are right now and the full democracy. So can we jump half the way, and then maybe the next term we jump in the next half? So transitioning to full democracy is the other principle. Any process, any type of election that helps us to transition to the full democracy even, if we can make the full democracy, that's the ideal. If we cannot make, we have to move forward and get closer to the full democracy so that next time we can enjoy the full democracy. So based on that two principles, that's what we are going to make the programs and the implementation of the Vision 2016. It's not easy. There's a lot of challenges in place. One of the challenges is our people have been in a conflict for a long time. Our institutional memory for a functioning state institutions is very limited. Those who can remember 25 years ago, or who were running institutions 25 years ago, today mostly are retired people who cannot run. Most of our institutions are run people who are very young, who has no experience of running state institutions. Politics, at least the one we know, the one our fathers used to teach us, we drop it and we take another approach, which is the federation and all this. On top of that, we have been in a conflict for a long time, so we are carrying the baggage of the past. We have a lot of scars that can be scratched and sensitized easily. So all this this is the kind of environment we have. But so far so good. We are maintaining, and they are moving to the right direction. We've established one of the tools that we're using is the recently established forum for the platform for the national leaders, whereby I chair with the interim administration presidents, and we discuss about not the local issues of that state, but we discuss about the national issues, cross-cutting issues that affects all member states at the national level. That's the subject of discussion and the issues that we discuss it in that platform. So we have that one. Soon we are going to, once the interim administration's parliaments are formed, we're going to establish similar platform for the speakers, led and chaired by the Speaker of the Federal Parliament. The Prime Minister have worked extensively on linking the federal ministry to its counterpart in the states. Minister of Health working with the ministries of health of the federal unities, Minister of Sports, Ministers of Finance, Minister of Securities. So we have established a set of networks and circles to deliberate on the national issues and build the relationship between the center and the periphery so that we can harmoniously move forward. Challenges are too many and the list is endless.
Alanka.com